In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create an annual plan in Monday.com so you can map out your entire year, organize company goals by departments, and track progress in one clear visual workspace. Whether you're planning for a small team or a full organization, this setup will give you structure, visibility, and accountability across the year. If you find this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Monday.com tutorials just like this. Now let's jump right in. Step 1 is to create a brand new board for your annual plan. Head over to Monday.com and log into your account. Once you're inside your workspace, click on the plus add button and choose New Board. Give your board a clear name, something like Annual Plan 2026, or whatever year you're planning for. This keeps things organized and easy to reference later. You can choose to start from a template if you want a pre-built structure, or select Start from Scratch if you prefer building everything yourself. For full control, starting from scratch is usually the best option. Once your board is created, the next step is to structure it into departments. Instead of mixing all your yearly goals together, organize them into groups based on departments. For example, you might create groups for marketing, operations, finance, sales, and product. To rename a group, simply click on the group title and edit it. To add a new group, click Add Group at the bottom of your board. Structuring your annual plan this way keeps responsibilities clear and prevents your board from becoming messy as the year progresses. Now let's add the key columns you'll need for effective annual planning. Click the plus icon on the right side of your columns to add new ones. First, add a People column and rename it Owner. This lets you assign responsibility for each goal. Next, add a Status column with labels such as Not Started, In Progress, and Complete. After that, add a Timeline column so you can set start and end dates for each initiative. This is essential for year-long visibility. You should also add a Numbers column for impact, another Status column for priority, and a Numbers column for budget tracking. Finally, include a Text column for notes so you can capture extra context or strategy details. These columns will allow you to track progress, ownership, performance, and resources all in one place. With your structure ready, it's time to add your annual goals or major initiatives. Inside each department group, click Add Item and enter your key initiatives. For example, under Marketing, you might add Launch New Website, and under Sales, you could add Increase Customer Retention by 15%. Each item represents a major annual objective. Assign an owner, set a timeline across the months it will run, define the priority level, and estimate the budget if needed. This transforms your board from a simple list into a strategic planning tool. Next, break down each big goal into manageable steps using sub-items. Click on any item and open it. Then add a sub-item section. Here you can create smaller tasks such as research, planning, execution, and review. You can also assign owners and deadlines to each subtask. Breaking goals into sub-items ensures that large annual objectives don't become overwhelming and helps your team execute step by step throughout the year. Finally, let's visualize your entire year using Timeline or Gantt view. At the top of your board, click Add View and choose either Timeline View or Gantt view. The Timeline view gives you a clean horizontal layout of all initiatives across the calendar. The Gantt view allows you to see dependencies, overlaps, and milestone dates. This is where your annual plan really comes to life. You'll be able to instantly identify overlapping projects, busy quarters, and long-term deadlines. It gives you a complete visual roadmap for the year ahead. And that's it. You now have a fully structured annual plan inside Monday.com, organized by department, tracked by ownership and priority, and visualized across the entire year. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any future productivity and project management tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.